Hello traders and welcome back. It is Thursday. It is actually, what is it? It's 8:53 a.m. So that means it's 20:53 on Wall Street. Great to be with you on a Thursday as we're winding down to the end of our trading week. It was a short week this week, and like I said, great to be with you again. We're taking a look at the Great British Pound, Japanese Yen today on a 60-minute chart. And thanks for joining me at tradingwithbill.com. And yes, I am Bill. Like I said, absolutely gorgeous day here in Thailand today. Coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. And all right, let's see what's going on. I'm going to take a little bit, just 1 minute, and let's take a review of what happened yesterday. You remember we did the pound-dollar trade yesterday. Traders, I'm going to tell you, don't feel bad if you didn't get this trade. This was a very, very difficult trade. The reason why it was difficult, it took a long time to happen. And it actually, at London Open, the trade actually took hold, and we entered the trade. But what happened then, it took like 3 hours. It was just dangling around there, and actually went up above that 2010 area, 2005 area, and then came back down. It wasn't until about 4 hours into London, maybe it was 5 hours, sorry about my eye, maybe about 5 hours into the London session, it finally broke down, and we were able to get into a break even, like with 1 pip. Luckily, it was actually about 2 hours before the New York Open, and this had taken our take profit area. So if you got that trade, congratulations. It was very hard to look at. I sit at my desk during London, and it was not easy to keep my hands on. I wanted to get out of it because I just didn't like it. It was taking too long. But it worked out. If you didn't get it, don't feel bad. Many trades ahead. And let's take a look at the pound yen on a 60-minute. Now this, as you can see, it's coming down to the support level where that rectangle is. And what we want to see is we want to see this pullback. We want this to come back up to the 61.8. And we want to get in this at like 140, 149, 141.50 area. And we're going to sell this. We're going to take this all the way back down to our take profit at 140.60. So it's a nice 80 pip trade, 75 pip trade, depending on where you get in. I think this is pretty good. I think this is a decent trade. Remember, the pound is weak, the yen is average to strong, and that's what we're looking for. It's all about correlations. I looked at 8 currency pairs today, and not a lot that I saw that was very interesting, to be honest with you. This was the most interesting I can find, and this isn't that great because we have a lot of price action left of the chart. What does price action left of the chart gives us? It gives us a lot of bounces, right? We don't have a wide open space. This, my friends, is a wide open space, right? If we were trading down here, this is a nice wide open space. There's no price action here. Where we're at here, this is chop, right? You got chop here, right? You got chop here, and price is going to bounce at these levels, going up and then coming back down again. So price is going to bounce at these levels. All right, where's our stop going to be? We're going to stick our stop at 141.90. 141.90 will stick our stop. Doesn't mean we're going to sit and wait for this to pull back 40 pips to hit our stop. Traders, if this goes bad on us, we're going to get out way before we get to 40 pips to get a stop hit, right? Stops are great, but I look at them as they're for an emergency. Your computer blows up, your electric goes off, you can't get on your platform, your cell phone, can't get on your cell phone to call your broker to get out of the trade, whatever. Stops are emergencies. We're not going to wait 40 pips to go in the negative for this trade to work. If it doesn't work, we're going to get out, right? Higher highs, higher lows, right? On a higher time frame, lower time, look however you look to analyze that and then get out of this trade. All right, so this is looking pretty good. Let's just take a look at a couple other things today. And one thing I wanted to mention is that the dollar index remains above the 101 area. However, it's sitting at 101.36 as I speak right now. You remember yesterday it hit that 101.50 area and gave us that great sell-off. Oh, I'm sorry, that was on Tuesday. Gave us that great sell-off for the dollar pairs, right? Dollar strength across the board in our currency pairs. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take a look and let's see what's going on news-wise. The big news that I saw today was the Germany has GDP quarter on quarter, which is going to be pretty substantial today. And I expect we're going to get some movement in the euro up or down, and we'll see how that works out later in the day. However, the euro is bearish, folks. We don't want to be buying the euro. I don't care what the news is. The news is temporary. Price always comes back to the mean, right? So that's what's going on today. I think it's going to be a great day trading today. I'm looking forward to it. And just keep your eyes out and watch your trades and have a good time. Trading's about good times. We're going to talk about options just for a second here. I did enter a Facebook vertical spread. I think I mentioned that yesterday. And it went against me. I woke up this morning and I only get about 2 hours in New York. And it comes about 11 p.m. Thailand time. So I'm not in New York session through the whole process. And it actually bumped up and looks like I'll be getting out of that vertical spread. Thank goodness I went into a vertical spread and I didn't sell this direct. Otherwise, I would have taken a really bad hit. But vertical spread gives you that insurance, right? If it goes against you, you're in the trade in the other direction, basically like a hedge, right? So good thing I'm in that vertical spread. We'll get out. We're gonna take a look. We're gonna take a hit, not a big hit. I trade small, but I trade a lot. That's my theory. Trade small and trade a lot. Be in a lot of trades at one time. Be in the market. Be involved. It's just a formula for success, right? Trade small and trade a lot. Traders, thanks for being with you, and always visit me at tradingwithbill.com. Come to my website, check it out. It's small, it's fun, and it's got a YouTube channel you can check out when this gets on YouTube. Traders, take care, and we will catch you next time. Traders, talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye now.